So hello friends, myself and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical. Today I will tell you the specifications of Mi 11. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Mi 11 are Snapdragon 888, 6.7 inches, QHD Plus AMOLED display, 108 megapixel rear camera, 20 megapixel front camera, 5000 mAh battery, 50 watt fast charging, MIUI 12 based on Android 10. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Mi 11. There are three color variants of Mi 11: silver color, blue color and black color. There are three storage variants of Mi 11: 8GB plus 128GB, 8GB plus 256GB and 12GB plus 256GB. This is the front side of Mi 11. This is the back side of Mi 11. The launch date of Mi 11 is on 28th December 2020. This is the launch date of China. India launch is not confirmed, but it will mostly launch in end of the January. In my opinion, the expected price of Mi 11 should be below 53,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.